Back again with another video, peeps. It's your boy King James and Rich Kid live from the Jamaican trio. As you can see on the screen, see the dog move. Alright. It's gone, lad. Erron block today for that video I don't know. I'm gonna learn do some combo. I'm gonna do the slide cancel combo if possible against them bats and line. I'm saying, bruh. But let's get into it and kick it. You ready for them, Punky or Rich Kid?
Of course.
Alright, let's kick it, peeps.
Melina.
You're on the mute voice chat? Huh? You're on mute voice chat?
Yeah, you that brother. I'm a favorite voice, man. I'm here. But the Jamaican share this.
Yes.
Those about to die salute you.
Those about to die salute you.
You once sought my affection.
What?
I thought you were a
What
guitar.
is it?
My mistake.
Yeah, the man correct himself, brother.
Who says we can't share a
No,
Some know say
bitch.
that girl a freaky, you know. Some know say Melina freaky, you
She
know.
not a man.
So it's a new opponent. Southside shift. Hold on there. It's not safe. You're a female hitboxer.
Yes, sir.
Combo there.
Okay, he knows about the mix.
Yeah, man. No, it's enough for go for it. Yeah, man. Alright, you know. We don't like to second females head, but she's an exception. She's a beast.
Shit.
Alright. Whenever they go break, we ain't bitches.
Oh, this shit not work on female boxing dog. For telling you.
Yeah. Hey, don't break it up. I said don't break away. And the man break away. Tell us don't break away. One team. Hey boy. Yeah man, that's punishable. Hey boy, watch yourself. Don't jump. Hold on there. How about this? Yo, brother.
Round
No,
two.
no.
Fight.
Yo, don't touch me. We don't like to hit female, but why am I in there to forget it? We're too freaky. Freaky now on bad way. What you do? What you roll? Oh, you're smart. Yeah man, that dead man. Don't do nothing. Say don't break it now. Alright, hold on, sit there. Oi. What you do? Where you going? Don't jump now. Can you don't jump now? Where you jump for? Don't jump.
Finish her.
Oh, what is that? Man, stand up.
He didn't jump. That's crazy. You can jump now. Bro, I say you can jump. I say you can jump, bro. What? Bro, I say you can jump. Okay. This is not nice. We're sorry, bro. Buzzard bait.
Aaron Black wins.
You know, for the million, brother. But no, so the guy freaky, you know, but you never put
No, no, I share no thrill with Melina, brother. No thrills, bro.
There's a glitches.
Mom. Oh, boy.
The life bar no for so this, brother. What is?
A glitch.
Is that what is?
I don't want to share nothing with Melina father. Fix them out there, brother. Cause oh, she a girl with them teeth.
Another one.
Doggone. You're right, doggone.
I speak it to Jamaican right now.
Lil Punch.
No blood clear and black.
Aaron Black, please.
Aaron Black.
Oh, yes!
You're a killer.
Itchy or snitch.
This is gonna be fun. Once you say at least catch at least one of the comment and that, man, do your please. Need it for the content.
What? You think it easy?
Without that, it's not easy.
Alright.
If the ninja killer comedy be easy.
Oh, cancel. You know,
Almost have the same.
Him of the armor, bro.
And it's a Erron Black mirror, people. Very interesting. And Gunlot starts it off very well. Ooh, this guy's blocking very well. Babushka. Bridson. Looking against a serious Gunlot. The fastest gun in the netherworld. And he kicked it off so beautiful. Yo, we need a second. To come in. Yo. Yeah, my G. What you do? Hey boy. Hey boy, none of them thing there. Hey. Nice. Okay.
Yes.
Ooh, that's it, boy. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my G. Oh, that worked. Ooh, the schmixes from gun lad. This is going to be a serious match. What if you wake up? It's unblockable. Unblockable. When you least suspect it, it's unblockable. That was a beautiful round. By gun lad.
Round 2. Fight.
Let's go, babushka. You know you got a babushka. Ooh, my boy, you were jumping. Jesus Christ. Okay, nice. Ooh, nice, babushka.
Oh, babushka!
There we go back in the corner. Man, watch your feet. Come on, yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh my God. You dropped it, bro. It happens. Don't grab me. Ooh, gosh, mixed out by gun lad. Everyone is getting away there, though. Take a big smoke, take a big cigar.
No!
Catch you
It's
now.
amplified.
Catch you now. The unblockable. The unblockable. Oh, there's the farmers are biatch. And babushka is back in it.
Final round. Fight.
Ooh, nice.
Well, yes.
Ooh,
Yes,
ooh,
yes.
Beautiful stuff, my friend.
Reach for the sky.
Aye. Yeah. 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 Yeah, my G. That's it. We're up to now. Come on. We're jumping now. Till I say don't jump. Yeah, man. Problem now, my G. Let's go to the start. Don't roll. Don't can't roll. Yo, we need a combo in a dog. Need a combo in a dog. Ooh, nice. Where you going, boy? Yes, you know, when you combo dog. Wake up. Alright, now, wake up. Ooh, babushka and out of this yet, people. It's warfare. Guerrilla warfare.
Yes!
Guerrilla warfare. One down, two like a Jade. Down two. The down two downtown from Jade.
Black wins.
When in doubt, down two. And God Lord takes that one in the first mirror match. These two Erron Blacks are very, very competitive guys. So let's move on to round 2.
Fight.
You're the best Erron I've faced. Thank you, bro.
Much love, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yes. Ooh.
Oh my God, love this stuff, bro.
Oh shit, you won.
Beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff.
Yo, watch out. Yo, boy. I thought they are the best.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh my God, this match is gonna have you guys at the end of your seats. Another forward throw by Conlord. What do you do? Hold on, man. Yo, see me that cancel combo there now. You need it to know. Don't break. Don't break. Yeah. Hey, what the hell just happened? So safe. Man break fast here. Man break fast. Bad Andy.
Final round. Fight!
Trouble. Yeah, I'm a J. All I see there. Don't jump in. I said don't jump in. Don't take the slide. I said don't take out the gun. You don't know. Let's see the combo. Let's see it. Babushka. Oh, we weren't gonna break, bro. Trouble. Ooh. None of them in there. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Better do it, you know. And oh my God, yo, this game.
Oh, that miss, bro.
I better know it's not fair.
Bomba. But I come for every time. But some time I get it.
You know him, his father. You know him, his father. Why miss?
Oh shit! Good job, bro. Good job.
That was it. That was good. That was good, bro.
Erron Black.
Good job, bro.
I would have jumped in the dog free. Okay, so it looks like Babushka took round 2. So it's on to the last round. Winner takes all.
Round one.
Oh.
Fight.
Yo, still need that side cancel in the dog. We need to know. Trouble. Yo, we going all out there. We're going full sweat mode. Full sweat mode. So give me your best sweat game. Damn. Okay, that was real sweaty. This Erron Black is going get it sweaty. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't roll. I told you don't roll, bro. Oh, God.
Good shit.
That was good. That was beautiful. Yo. So we need that one for Jamaica and a dog.
Jamaica in a trouble him.
What the hell did you just say?
Jaja. Now say no more use. Alright. Ooh, nice.
Yes.
That was beautiful.
Getting you this
Beautiful.
mix.
Oh my God, bro. That is some good stuff. Oh, we need to tag up for that touchdown on dog. Nice. Don't break. Don't roll. Yo, this match is hot, people. It's too intense. The heat is building. It's rising. The temperatures are at stake. I don't know what's gonna happen next. Poke. Anything. Down 2. And Gun Lord is still in it. This is a hot third round.
Fight.
Hey. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Just take the bait, bro. Take the bait. Take the bait. Don't break. He broke. Just take the bait, bro. Take the bait. Take it like a... Oh, my God. Don't break that. That is it. They can't break no, G. Trouble. And Babushka. Babushka is on the edge of the seat. Oh, the leg. Oh, but Babushka is still fighting. But is it time sudden match? Gone long.
Babushka. Good shit, bro.
Babushka. The Erron Black is very, very good. Oh, we have to take it for Jamaica, you see me?
For my country, bro. For
our
Jamaica.
country, for Jamaica.
For GG's, bro.
GG's,
Thank you, man.
yeah,
Thank you for the
GG's.
Erron Black. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, we Jamaicans were crazy, man.
I go crazy sometimes. Hold on, I'm sending you a friend request. Bro,
Yo,
Babushka.
peeps, if you like the vid, don't forget to subscribe to the Jamaican
Thank you,
Tree
thank you,
channel and
thank
don't
you.
know.
Thank you, bro.
Brinson, just look out for your channel, the Jamaican Tree people. Much love, much respect. You see me? We out.